Monthly for Day 1 to Day 31st Celebration Map, Session 19 and Holiday Blessing. Hello everyone, Christina say hi to you from Boston, Massachusetts. Today is December 25th, 2025. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group. Today we gather in the spirit of excellence, unity, and purpose. Welcome to the Melody Group Monthly Celebration Map, a rhythm of 31 days, each one a milestone, each one a moment of growth, and each one a reminder that you belong to a community of leaders rising together. Now, let's begin our journey. Day 1, Primary Membership Celebration Day, the foundation of our community. Day 2, Auction Superstar Celebration Day, a tribute to courage, speed, and opportunity. Day 3, our backyard market, Cambridge, Somerville, Brookline, and Newton of Market Holiday Celebration Day. Celebration, Elitite, Discovery in Great Boston. Day 4 is our Dear Founders Celebration Day, honoring those who bring the opportunities that shape our future. Day 5, County Agency and Partner Celebration Day, a day of collaboration, trust, and local relationship. Day 6, the 100K Club Celebration Day, a milestone of investors, release, and financial display. Day 7, Master Multifamily Seller Financing Academic Celebration Day, a celebration of strategy, creative, and financial intelligence. Day 8, Exclusive Membership, Affiliate, and Capital Connection Celebration Day, honoring the connectors who expand our reach. Day 9 of Market Wholesale and Double Closing Celebration Day, a tribute to precision, speed, and execution. Day 10, Co-own 100 Unit Plus Multifamily Top 1% Investors Day in our community, a celebration of scale, vision, and institutional mindset. Day 11, Exclusive Membership Celebration Day, honoring deeper commitment and elevated access. Day 12, Landlord Investment Club Celebration Day, a day for builders, partners, developers, and creators of new ground. Day 13, County of Market Good Deals Celebration Day, celebration discovery across the nation. Help a county agency distribute the best deals in their county and zip code. Day 14 of Market Holiday Celebration Day, our signature day of opportunity and momentum. Minimum 8 deals closing in each month. Day 15, Raising Capital with Ease and Institutional 365-Day Note Financing Day, a celebration of clarity, confidence, and capital flow in our community. Day 16, Equity and Preferred Equity Partner Celebration Day, honoring partnership at the highest level. Day 17, MelodyGroup Partners Celebration Day, a tribute to unity, collaboration, and shared success for all our business partners. Day 18, Capital Markets and Strategic Partners Celebration Day, a day for institutional alignment and financial architecture. Day 19, CEO GV Equity Celebration Day, celebrating leadership, vision, and high-level partnership for luxury real estate investing. Day 20, Millionaire Club Celebration Day, a day of wealth, discipline, and long-term thinking. Day 21, Global Investment Opportunity and Intelligence Celebration Day, a tribute to innovation, technology, and global perspective. Day 22, Level 2 Multifamily Auction Celebration Day, a day for advanced strategy and competitive excellence. Day 23, Consulting and Multifamily Syndication Advisory Celebration Day, honoring expertise, guidance, and strategic leadership. Day 24, Multifamily 1031 Exchange Celebration Day, a celebration of tax strategy and wealth preservation for our off-market multifamily pipeline. Day 25, Future Billionaire Club Celebration Day, a day for visionaries who build beyond themselves and together grow with us. Day 26, Multifamily Development Celebration Day, 1,000 unit plus multifamily ground-up new construction across the nation, a tribute to large-scale creation and long-term impact landmark creation. Day 27, VIP Members Celebration Day, honoring loyalty, commitment, and inner circle excellence. Day 28, Multifamily Asset Management Celebration Day, a day for operations, performance, and stewardship. Day 29, 19-Day Challenge Celebration Day, a celebration of discipline, consistency, and transformation, not only in business but personal growth. Day 30, MelodyGroup Capital Celebration Day, a tribute to capital flow, capital partners, and capital mastery in capital market. Day 31st, State Agency and Builder Master Calendar Celebration Day, a day for state agency leadership development, structure, and long-term planning partnership. Together, these 31 days form the heartbeat of Christina Melody Group, a community of excellence, a moment of purpose, and a family leaders rising together. Before we close, mark this moment. Session 19 will be held on December 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. This session is designed to align your vision, elevate your strategy, and close the year with clarity, stress, and unstoppable momentum. This is where we step into the next chapter together. Welcome, join the community of excellence, a community where each day is a milestone, each day is a celebration, and each day is a reminder that you belong here. We grow together, not only in multifamily investing, not only in business collaboration, but in personal growth, in emotional strength, and in building a meaningful life with people we love. This is your home. This is your community. This is your own legacy. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May today fill your heart with peace, joy, and renewed vision. Hello everyone. Coffee time with Christina Melody Group. Session 19 is coming. It will be held on December 30th, 2025 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. Welcome to join a community of excellence. Thank you and welcome. We are looking forward to growing, collaborating, and celebrating success together.